today I'm playing Sons of a Forest, but today I'm gonna show you cheats. So, when you're in, you want to type in cheat stick. Then press. Then what you do is you press F1. But you see, this didn't work because first, if you're in, you have to begin this. And if you want to use the cheats, you first have to do this. So you can't just instantly do it. Then type in cheat stick. Then F1, still not working. Because you don't put in a space. Cheat stick. See, and then F1, boom. And one of my favorites is add all. But if you see like this, if you press what is it again? The little arrows on your keyboard, the ones that go up, down, left, right, you want to press the right one. Then, boom, it will instantly fill in the spaces. Then, you have all the items in the game. And then, if you want to, sorry if it's a little bit laggy, but then what you can do is F1, and then you type in instant book hack. And boom. Then on at the end. Then now anything you build from the book, it will instantly be built. But beware, this doesn't work in online. It doesn't work. So like you saw, boom, it's built. So, and another thing you can do is you can type in soup and then boom and then on. This will make you jump very, very high, but be careful. Don't jump on something like this. You may take a little bit damage, but that is where this comes in. If you type in this, boom and then on, then you're invincible. Like this, look, boom, no damage. So, then what you can do is also type in speedy run on. Then you can, if you walk normal, but if you run very, 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 very fast. With the super jump, it's like the best thing ever. And so now you're invincible, super fast, and you can jump very, very high. Now you can start in the Olympic. But beware that the speed run also works if you're swimming. It will be slower when you run, but it will make you faster swim. And then something that you can do, you can set the daytime. Like you can type in set and then day, set time of day. Then if you want it to be 1 a.m., just type in 1. Now it's 1 a.m. And if you want it to be day, type in set time of day 12. Then boom, it's the middle of the day. So yeah. And something I like to do very, very much is run up top like this. Oh my god, a little bit laggy. And then you can slide off, but that's just something I like to do. It's not very much of a cheat. And if you can jump, like this, I can jump. But if you go sideways, you can't jump. Plus, speedrun is very useful. So, yeah, and if you want it to be like summer or winter, type in season, then like summer, then boom. It won't be immediately summer, but like, look. Oh, my game is a little bit laggy again. And then if you come here, oh, I think it was summer already. But let's make it then winter. So, season, then winter. Now, it should be winter. But it takes a little bit time to be winter. Yeah, it takes a little bit time for it to be winter. That's why you can type in time scale. Then like 15. Look how fast the time is going by. Oh, which is not good for my PC. But look, it's snowing now. Then like time scale 1. Then it's back to normal. And look, you can run on voice now. And this is very useful. So yeah. And this little island is 2. Because it's not near any cannibals and stuff, guys. They can't get out. If you haven't seen my last video, this is actually where me and my brother lived. I lived on this little island. He lived over there. Well, I didn't really live here. This was my base. But then I moved over to here. But be careful. That side is a cannibal camp. But a little small one. Yeah, you may not see any cannibals today. But I'm on peaceful. Whoa, getting laggy. But yeah, so here should be a cannibal camp. Like right here somewhere. I think maybe here. But yeah, there should, oh here, yeah. Here's a cannibal camp. So yeah, and what you can do, oh, what happened to the deer? Go away, deer. I don't like you. No, I don't think that's good for YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. But yeah, so here's a moose like. He's laying down. Whoa, bye moose. Yeah, run. Why ain't you running? You better run. I'm quicker than a moose. Come here, come here. Wow. Boom. Did you guys see that? You went underwater. Oh, so you can type in free camera and then on. Then you'll be in free cam. And look, your character moves. Well, you can't swing and stuff. But yeah, so let's see. Where's the moose? This is weird. Where is that moose? Oh, I think he's gone. Yeah. I don't think I don't think he's alive anymore. But yeah. Ooh, oxygen bottle. But yeah, and if you want to get out, type in free camera off. then boom, to normal stuff again. And another thing cool about this place is right here is another cannibal camp. Whoa, the helicopter, yeah, it's a helicopter, guys. Yo, guys. Oh, whoa, I think they're coming to rescue me. Please come. Get into my inventory. Quick, want to grapple. Come on, give a grapple gun, rope gun. There's no time for this. Please. Just freaking let me go. No, now it's too late. Oh. But yeah, here's another cannibal camp. Be very careful if you want to live here. Here's like 50 cannibals. One time when me and my brother was playing, there was very much cannibals. Like maybe 50 somewhere. And actually no, more like 15. Whoa. Sorry if my game is very laggy, but yeah. And here's like a helicopter crash. Then look at that. All these. But yeah, there's a little camp, a little thing here. I don't want to go in because that's normally when my game lags and crashes. So yeah, and another thing about this is you can add characters. It's like, yeah, you add a character. I don't really know very much how it works. And then there is invisible. Yeah, it makes you invisible to entities. Like on. Hello? Boo! Very sorry if my game froze. Actually it did. Well, invisible on makes you invisible to entities like cannibals and stuff. And another thing you can do is, oh yeah, stone hack. It gives you infinite stones, and log hack. It does the same. And I just got sprayed by a skunk. Which I think there is something like strength. I don't really know again. Maybe set. Is there something like strength? I don't really know. There should be something about strength. About here. How about level? Yeah, set strength level. Wait. No. Where the set yeah, strength level. Oh no. Please no. Set strength strength level like 100. That's the maximum. Then you see here. Oh, you see like there. Look at there. It's 100 level your strength. But yeah, so, and you can set the days, like set day, day. If you can't find it, just type in like, yeah, jump time of day. I think that's like jump time of day 100. But now, if you go on your map, you can see it says you've played for 100 days now. So yeah, that's awesome. You can set it to any day you want. Just remember, it makes the cannibals and stuff stronger, and makes so that there's more mutants and stuff. Yeah. So I think that's it for today. Tomorrow I'm making a teardown. I'm gonna be making 5 teardown videos, but it's gonna be like an hour. Like I'm playing for making a video, and then after that, and then an hour later maybe I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna try to make like 5 or something, anything above 1. But yeah, and if you guys are a starter to this game, just know it's a lot of fun. Or if you're looking at it, it's a lot of fun. And if you want some tips, I'll be making like in 4 days maybe. Oh, look at this. Look here. Whoa. Where is the... But yeah, so wait, what is this? Hey, I'm here to help you. He dared. Ugh. I don't know why it has to be like that every time. Oh yeah, it's a motorcycle, unicycle. Then boom, now you can ride it. And if you want to get off, double jump. Woo! That's ha! Huh. But yeah, so if you want tips, tomorrow I'm gonna be making teardown. In 2 days I'm gonna be making Minecraft, maybe more mods. And if you like, yeah, and maybe in 3 days I'm gonna be making more Sunset by Forest. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow.